Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Forsyth County in north central Georgia, southwestern Hall County in north central Georgia, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Gainesville, Buford, Flowery Branch, Oakwood, West Haven, Aquilon Park, and Lake Lanier Islands. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.